What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico, man. We back at with another one, man. I know it's been a little minute, but we back, man. Hey, today's video, I'm basically gonna be showing y'all what to do. I know a lot of people do what to do after a fresh cut, this and that, but I'm gonna show you what to do after a bad woof. Now, the woof that I did have wasn't too bad, but then again, it was bad because a lot of people was quarantining woofing, and I tried to join on the wave, but I've been working, so I ain't had no chance to woof. So when I try to woof, and it's like I want that time to actually put in the brushwork, and you know, what's the point of woofing without brushing? You gotta put in that brushwork, you gotta show all that. So only thing I've been having time for is get a mini brush session here, washing style, mini brush session, washing style. That's not enough for a woof, especially going off into 5 to 6, 7, 8 weeks, no longer. No telling how long this quarantine is gonna be going for. So I was trying to woof for that long because everybody else was doing it, Gigi was doing it, and a lot of people gonna be ending their woofs. I just try to stay on in tune with y'all, but cause I got a barber, I can go get a cut anytime I want. But long story short, it didn't work out. I gained a few forks, but it's all right. We're gonna break them, man. I got that, you feel me, that brush right here. Make sure y'all tap in with my boy to get his Booch 360 brush. But anyway, you feel me, I'm gonna get my waves back right. Let me just come out the rag and show y'all. So me coming out that Rico merch, Sunburst Silky. You feel me? They're not all the way in there like how they used to be. I mean, they are, but I gained a few forks. I can't lie, right there. But that's like a spot where I've had a fork at before. But you feel me? I'm gonna just use this brush. I got the oil right here. Review coming soon. I'll do a PB oil, and I got a comb. All you need is these three. But yeah, all you need is those three, man. So I'm gonna be basically showing y'all, like I said, a lot of people show y'all what to do after fresh cut. I'm gonna let you know what to do after a bad woof. And your hair is like, you got dandruff, you got all this different type of stuff going on. You don't know how to bounce back. You got forks, you got all type of stuff going on. You wanna start off your sessions by always getting a comb session. Always wanna get a 30-minute comb session. But when you do comb, you make sure you get a comb that's, you might wanna get the one thinner than this depending on how low your hair is, but my hair, it ain't that low. Like, it can pick up a little bit on here, so I comb with this. You might be different. You might need the one that goes from big to way smaller than this one. Like, this one goes from big to small, but it goes from, it's big to low-key big, but it's ones that go from big to very, very smaller than this. But depending on whichever one picks up your hair. So however you get your cut, if you get your cut and the woof don't turn out right, what you want to do is you want to just comb all that dandruff out. Comb the dandruff out. Your hair is low, comb it out. You feel me? Make sure you wash your hair thoroughly. Everything is clean. Comb all the dandruff out. Just comb as you go. Comb and have you an oil with a dropper. That's all you need. Is an oil with a dropper. And it don't have to be this. It could be an oil that has like one of those twist knobs at the top. Where you twist it and just drop it like this. Like, I have a few of those. I can show y'all. But all you need is that, because you want that oil to drop into the scalp. Even though your hair is low, you want that oil to drop into your scalp. So when you comb it like this, you catching all of that dandruff. So like, I got a little dandruff. I ain't afraid to show. I got one little piece of dandruff just came out. Everybody has dandruff at times. But me, like I said, I had a bad woof, and I wasn't really taking care of my woof to get down to that scalp. So my scalp is damaged. I have to repair it with oils and different treatment, hot oil treatments, things you could do. You do hot oil treatment. I got a video on that. I will be having other videos coming soon. But yeah, man, you just want to really comb. Like, you're gonna comb and you're gonna see what I'm talking about. And you want to make sure you're grabbing your oil. You feel me? Applying your oil in as much as needed. Make sure you feel me, get enough oil in your hair. And then even if you gotta drop it in right on that dry spot, that's what you do. Because that's what it's for. It's not meant to just go like this all the time. Feel me? Oil that bad boy up. Real nice shine. Like I said, review will be coming for that soon. I want to put it to use before I just pull it out the package and use it. You know, I've been using it fully, you know, my people's hairs, everybody hair, just to see how it is. Then you just get your brush. This is that Bluetooth 360 soft brush. My hair is low. Get your session in. Make sure you got your mirror, so you can see what you're doing. But for me, I'm about to go get this session in. Make sure I get a thorough session and a thorough comb session. And just like that, you know, medium or even with the soft brush. I prefer medium to soft or medium soft. This one is like a medium. This is like a medium soft to me. That's just how it feels on my head. It might feel different for you, but this is like a medium soft for me, just at the length that my hair is at. I'm at like a 2. I just cut at a 2, and it's been a few days, so it feels like a medium, like a soft medium for me, and that's just how it feels for me. It might be different, but yeah, like I said, I'm about to go get this brush session in. Make sure y'all brushing. Make sure y'all combing. You gotta comb. That's the only way you're gonna come back the right way, is really combing to get your connections, bro. And especially if you got dandruff, the comb is gonna pull all of that out. Especially after, because even after you wash it, sometimes you can still have that. That's why you comb. Comb the rest of them big dandruff flakes out, all of that. Wash your hair. You know, after you already washed it once, you don't want to keep washing. You just wash it once, comb, if it's still dandruff in there, you probably ain't wash it thorough enough. You probably got to do a scrub wash just to get everything fully out your head. So like with me, it's only been a few days. I will be washing at the end of this week. I'm gonna do a scrub wash to fully get rid of the dandruff, because I was woofing, wasn't taking care of it. My hair got really dry, wasn't maintained. Just is what it is. It happens to the best of us in the wave game. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna comb. In the meantime, I'm gonna comb until it's time to wash, because you know I don't wash my hair the first day after a cut. That's just me. You know, it might be other reasons why people don't wash their hair at first day after a cut, or it might be a reason why they wait. I like to wait. That's just what I've always done. Maybe I've been doing it wrong, or I've been doing it right. Y'all can let me know in the comments what y'all do. But that's just what I do. So, like I said, right after you comb, you feel me? You get a good comb session in. You want to just go in with that brush, bro. Put that brush to use. You want to put that brush to work. You feel me? And just go to work that whole week until at the end of that week, end of the 7 days, you get your wash session in. You'll get your wash, scrub. I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. I'm gonna go through the whole process of just reviving your hair. This whole week, I'm gonna go through the whole process. Today is step 1. And every day is step 1 until we get to that next step. So every day you want to be combing, and brushing, bro. Combing and brushing because you want to get them connections. Combing and brushing because we trying to get them connections back. We trying to get the waves revived, and making sure y'all ragging up, man. Make sure you always throw your rag on. I got a perfect silky right here. Rico's merch surf rags. Right there, man. You feel me? Make sure y'all combing. I can't stress this enough, bro. I don't know how many times I gotta tell y'all this. Comb. You need to be combing as much as you brushing. Treat the comb session just like a brush session, bro. Trust, it's gonna make a big difference, man. But with that being said, man, I'm gonna get this brush session in. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Your boy Rico the Waver is back. You feel me? Share with your friends. Turn on post notifications. And I'm back in the game, man. I know I've been uploading less and less. Like I said, y'all can go order rags. I've been busy with that. We got some new things coming soon. Make sure y'all stay tuned. If y'all follow me on Instagram, excuse me, at Rico the Waver, or follow the Rico's merch page, y'all would have caught that sneak peek of what's coming to the website soon. But you didn't catch it because you didn't go follow. I probably said subscribe. You know, I'm all mixed up right now. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram at Rico the Waver and at Rico's merch, man, to get sneak peeks on what's coming to the site soon. Get sneak peeks on my way. Get updates. Bro, everything on my Instagram. Y'all gotta go follow. I don't know why y'all still sitting here looking at me telling y'all to follow. Like, y'all can't just go down in the description below. All you do is swipe up on your phone, the computer, you know, if you watching me on your Xbox or your PS4, all you gotta do is get on your phone real quick, real brief, bro. Go to Instagram, type up ricothewaver. You probably on your phone right now. You probably ain't even brushing. Just type up ricothewaver. You should be brushing up. Type up ricothewaver, and I'm gonna pop up. That's simple, bro. You still here? It's in the description below, bro. Come on now. Rico's merch. Y'all could have caught the sneak peek, but you didn't. Now you gotta wait. Now you gotta wait. You might catch it again on Instagram if you go follow, but now you gotta wait until his YouTube. When you could have followed, seen, get up to date with me. Need any tips? DM me. I'm gonna DM you back. If I don't get to you right away, I'm gonna get to you. It's not gonna be forever, but I'm gonna get to you. Trust. I'm gonna get to that DM. I'm gonna let you know what tips you need help with. Hey, bro, what brush should I use? I'm gonna let you know what brush you should start off on. But automatically, I'm gonna let y'all know now. You gotta have a soft, medium, and a hard brush off the rip, and a comb, bro. A comb, a nice comb that's gonna tug and pull at almost all stages of your hair. I'm meaning week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. Man, with that, man, let me show y'all a new brush I got. Bro, this brush right here, bro, this is hard. I'm telling y'all. I know y'all seen that brush hard. Then we got this brush right here. Bro, they both are dope. You know, don't get me wrong. No brush is doper than the other one. But this brush, bro, y'all see how that red hit? It's dopey. I'm telling you, this brush is dope. But this one's dope too. These are just my 2 recent pickups to the game. You feel me? I got that Torino's Pro curve brush, medium. I got that Bucci 360 soft brush. Both blonde bristles, nice blonde bristles. You feel me? Just gonna pull this off. When my hair get a little thicker, I'm gonna move to this one. But then I might still be using this one because this is like a soft medium. To me, that's just how it pulls on my head. But then my 2 most recent pickups, man. I just wanted to show y'all real quick. Let me go ahead and step about the building. I ain't gonna tell y'all to subscribe again because I hope you did it. It's your boy Rico and I'm out.